Good morning, my beautiful students. How are you today? Are you fine? Okay, that's good. Let's start my own lesson today, girls. But before starting, let me ask you about the day and the date. Who can tell me what's the day today? Today is Monday. Let's spell the word Monday together. Monday. Again, Monday. The date is 18 to 1442 after Hijrah. Again, today is Monday, Monday, and the date is 18 to 1442 after Hijrah. Okay, girls? Now let's take a quick revision before starting my own lesson for today, girls. Let's see. We have the present continuous, and you know this tense before. Let's start with the personal pronoun I. What should I use with the personal pronoun I? I should use the verb to be am. So I am plus verb with ing plus verb with ing. For example, I'm learning English now. I'm watching TV now. I'm studying English now. Okay, girls? We have she, he, and it. She, he, and it. We should use with she, he, and it the verb to be as plus the verb with ing. For example, she is watching TV. She is playing football. She is playing basketball. She is doing her homework. Then we have they, we, and you plus are. So they are, we are, you are plus the verb with ing. Okay, girls? For example, they are playing football. They are playing basketball. We are studying English now. You are writing your homework. Okay, girls? Now, I am, she is, he is, it is, they are, we are, you are. Okay, girls? Now, we have make 5 sentences using the present continuous. Number 1, she is swimming. Number 2, I am playing football. 3, we are jumping on the rope. 4, I am studying English now. 5, she is playing basketball. Okay, girls? Now we have articles. What are these articles? We have a and an. When can I use an? We should use an with the vowels. What are the vowels? We have O, E, A, I, and U. For example, we have the word apple. The first letter in the word apple is A, so we should say an apple. Okay, girls, when can I use A? We should use A with the consonants letters, with the consonants, okay? Other letters, the consonants, okay? So, we should use the articles A and the with singular nouns. We should use an with vowels letters O, E, A, I, and U. Okay, girls? Now, today, inshallah, we will start taking lesson 3 in Unit 2 about things we wear, page number 18 and 19. Page number 18 and 19. Open your books, page number 18 and 19 in People's Book. Write the day with the day, then close your book. Right. The day with the day, then close your book, girls. Page number 18 and 19. Okay? Now, we have what? W-H-A-T. Again, W-H-A-T. We have whose. W-H-O-S-E. We have who. W-H-O. We have where. W-H-E-R-E. Now, when can I use what? Whose. Who and where. Let's see what. What is used to talk about a thing? To talk about a thing. For example, here we have a pen. So, what is this? It's a pen. What is this? It is a pen. Okay? So, what is used to ask about a thing? Whose is used to ask about possession. Whose is used to talk about possession. For example, whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? It is mine. Whose pen is this? It is mine. Whose pen is this? It is mine. Okay, girls? Now, who is used to ask about a person? So, who is she? Who is she? She is Amal. She is Amal. Okay, girls? Now, where? Where is used to ask about a place. Where is used to ask about a place. So, where do you live? I live in Taif. I live in Mecca. I live in Jeddah. I live in Abha. I live in London. I live in Riyadh. Okay? So, where is used to ask about a place. Who is used to ask about a person? Who is she? She is Amal. She is Sarah. She is Layla. Okay? Whose is used to ask about position. Whose pen is this? Whose book is this? Whose table is this? Whose phone is this? Okay, girls? Now, let's see here phonics. How to pronounce B and P. How to pronounce P and B. Let's see. B as book, P as pen, okay? B as book, P as pen. Let's see here. What's this, girls? It's a ball. It's a ball. B-A-double-L. B-A-double-L. What is this? It's a ball. Okay, girls? Now let's read the sentence. The ball is round. The ball is round. Now here. What's this? It's a book. It's a book. B-double-O-K. B-double-O-K. Let's read the sentence. My favorite book is Jane Eyre. My favorite book is Jane Eyre. So, book starts with letter B. Here we have plain, letter P. Plain, P-L-A-N. P-L-A-N. Here, plate, P-L-A-T-E. P-L-A-T-E. What's this? It's a plate. What's this? It's a plane. Okay, girls? Now, fill in the missing letters using B or P. B or P. You should use either B or P. Okay, girls? Number one, I have a t-shirt. I have a blue t-shirt. I have a blue t-shirt. So, the missing letter is B. Ali has a in his room. Ali has a bed in his room, so the missing letter is B. 3. He has a pen. He has a pen, P. The is noisy. The parrot is noisy. Okay, girls? Now, read the following words. Number 1, book, banana, bear, blue, brown, bed, bedroom. Again, book, banana, bear, blue, brown, bed, bedroom. Book, banana, bear, blue, brown, bed, bedroom. Here, pen, panda, pink, parrot, play, pool, price. Pen, panda, pink, parrot, play, pool, price. Black, ball, bike, blouse, buy, buy. Black, ball, bike, blouse, buy, buy. Plus, pray, pine, pencil. Plus, pray, pine, pencil. Plus, pray, pine, pencil. Again, plus, pray, pine, and pencil. Okay, girls? Now قال تعالى لئن شكرتم لأزيدنكم. What did you understand from this ayah? We understood that we have to thank our God for everything we have in our lives, because if we thank our God will give us more and more. Okay, girls? Now, I want you to open your books. Open your books, please, girls. Open your books, page number 18 and 19. 18 and 19. Open your books, page number 18 and 19, girls, please. And listen, please. Listen, read, and say.
Phonics. Exercise 1. Listen, read, and say. P and B jingles.
He says, peppered. He says, pen. He says panda. B says bear. B says banana. B says bed. So girls, P and B jingles. P says parrot. P says pen. P says panda. B says bird. B says banana. B says bed. Okay, girls. Now I want you to open your notes, write the day and the date, your full name, then copy this song. Copy this song, please, girls, in your notebook in the handwriting section. Okay, girls? Now, exercise 2 sounds and letters. Listen, say, and match, then write the missing letters. Listen, please, girls, now.
Sounds and letters. Exercise 2. Listen, say, and match. Then write the missing letters.
Are you ready? Let's practice first. He says pen. Pen. He says pen. Pen. PL says plane. PL says plane. PL says plate. Plate. PL says plate. Plate. B says bed. B says bed. Bed. BL says blue. Blue. BL says blue. Blue. BL says black. BL says black. Plain. Plate. So the plate is blue. The plate is blue. The plate is blue here. This exercise, girls, fun time, exercise 3. We will do it in the live together. Now, I want you to open your activity book. Open your activity book, please, girls. Page number 77 and 78. 77 and 78. And listen, please, girls. Listen.
Are you ready for goal 15? I can tell if the words start with P or B. 1. Listen and practice.
He says parrot. He says pen. He says panda. B says bear. B says banana. B says bed.
Now do 2. Listen and circle P or B.
Okay, girls, now listen, point, and practice.
Let's do goal 16. I can say 2 words that begin with P and 2 words that begin with B. 1. Listen, point, and practice.
Panda, pizza. Okay, girls, this is the end of my lesson today. Thank you for listening. and watching, and see you next time. Goodbye, girls.